Hello. One of our clients asked me how she can sew our noses from our molds to her artworks. And today I want to show how you can make a secure lock to sew the noses to the toys. I'm not an artist of toys myself, but technically I understand how it's made, and I will try to show you the concept, how should it work. This is the first time I'm making this, so be patient. Maybe I won't succeed from the first time, but I will try. So this is our silicone molds. You need to fill them with polymer clay. I use Fima Soft chocolate clay, chocolate color. So fill the mold. I will fill several at once, so I don't need to come back to the clay and only use the wire. To fill all the indents inside the mold, you can use a ball tool or any tool you are convenient to work with. Be sure the mold is filled only till the end of this hole. So I will take also a larger one. These noses are quite popular. A lot of artists use them to make easy noses for their toys. Especially I know it's common to use them for the felt toys. Also you can just glue them. Yes, if it is a felt toy where you don't need to sew it, you can use any liquid clay and glue the nose after baking to your artwork. But if you want the noses to be securely sewed to the artwork, you can make this wire loops to make it most secure. I'm using one and the same word a lot of times, so I use knife to take off the excess clay, but this isn't the best way because you can cut the tiny pieces of mold. Better to use any tool that isn't so sharp. So what you need to do next: take a wire you have. Better if it won't be too thin or too thick wire. And now you need to create a loop, and its size will depend on the size of your nose. The bigger is nose, the bigger is loop. You can use hand tools like these ones. And now what you need to do, you need to place this part of your wire inside the clay, so the clay will cover it fully. Like this. And now the most important part: fill this part that is inside with the clay and make it stretch so your wire is inside the clay. When you will bake the nose, the wire won't be able to get out from the clay in any case. So, like this. You can bake the nose inside the mold, or you can demold the nose and bake it on any surface you would like. I want to be sure all the seams are evenly locked. So I will show you one tip. Use such a tool to make the texture on the second side of the nose. Like this. And now let's demold it. You can freeze the mold for 10 minutes before demolding if you think you can deformate the nose. But I demold it as it is. And now, after baking, you will be able to sew the nose to your toy with this loop. Yes. Also, in addition, you can use also a glue, but here it is. And you can make not one loop, but for example, 2 loops, if it's more convenient for you. I will try to show 2 loops here. This is a small nose, we will use a smaller wire. So I will use the small wires here. Let's try this one. Oh. Tools are running away from me. So I want 2 loops. So the main is that you need to place the wire in such a way so it won't be possible to take it out after baking. If you will place a wire just like this, it will be easier to take it out after baking. If you have some curves like this, then after baking the clay will hold the wire inside. For example, like this, and let's make one more. I took a tiny wire, but I hope this will work. You don't need a large loop because the main idea is so the needle could go through. So one is a bit larger, one is a bit smaller, and now fill up the clay like this. So you can see this is the nose and the small loops to sew it. One more. This is an improvisation. Like this. Only don't make a big tail inside, yes, not to make it through the nose. So the smaller your nose is, the smaller wire you use. And the same with the claw. So if you will see this part in your work, then better to make the small hook at the upper part. This is too small. Need a bigger wire. So like this. And now I will place them to bake and will show you the result after baking. Oh, here you can see one of the wires is too long and it gone through the clay. Maybe it's okay. For this case I will leave it as it, but be secure not to take a too big wire.